Hey there everyone! Welcome back to my channel where we talk about all things health and wellness. Today I want to share with you an exciting journey that you can embark on. A 3-day water fast. That's right, just water for 3 whole days. A water fast is a form of intermittent fasting where you abstain from food for a set period of time and only consume water. This gives your body a chance to focus on the internal cleaning and repairing process without having to constantly digest food. During this time, your body will start to detox and cleanse itself of all the impurities and toxins that have built up over time. You might experience some headaches or lightheadedness, but don't worry, this is totally normal and will pass as your body adjusts to the change. As the fast progresses, you'll start to feel a boost of energy as your body becomes more efficient at using stored energy. You might also notice clearer skin, improved digestion, and better mental clarity. And by the end of the fast, you'll be amazed at the transformation your body has undergone. So, if you're looking for a way to give your body a reset and rejuvenate, a 3-day water fast is the perfect solution. Just remember to listen to your body, drink plenty of water to stay hydrated, and take it slow when breaking the fast. So, are you ready to embark on this exciting journey with me? Let's give our bodies the break they deserve and see the amazing results for ourselves. Day 1. Are you ready for the first day of your water fast journey? Here's what you can expect. On the first day, you might feel a little bit hungry, but it's important to remind yourself of the big picture and the benefits that come with this fast. This is the day when your body will start to detox and cleanse itself of all the impurities and toxins that have built up over time. This can lead to some unpleasant side effects like headaches or lightheadedness. But don't worry, this is totally normal and will pass as your body adjusts to the change. Think of it this way. Your body is like a car that's been running for a long time and it's due for an oil change. The oil change process can be a bit messy and uncomfortable, but once it's done, your car runs smoother and more efficiently. Similarly, your body will be undergoing a major cleanse, and the side effects are just temporary as it adjusts to the change. So, what can you do to make the transition easier? Firstly, make sure you're drinking plenty of water to stay hydrated. Water will help flush out the toxins and impurities from your body, making the cleansing process more effective. Secondly, try to stay active and move your body, even if it's just a light walk or some gentle yoga. This will help your body process the toxins more efficiently and reduce the risk of headaches and lightheadedness. Another thing you can do is to repair yourself mentally. This fast is a challenge, but it's also an opportunity to show your body some love and care. Use this time to reflect on your eating habits and the impact they have on your body. Take this opportunity to reset your relationship with food and focus on nourishing your body with wholesome, healthy foods when the fast is over. Day 2. Welcome to Day 2 of your water fast. By this point, your body has adjusted to the change and is now working hard to reset itself. And let me tell you, the benefits are starting to show. First of all, you'll start to feel a boost of energy. When you're not consuming any solid food, your body is able to tap into stored energy more efficiently. This stored energy is called glycogen, and it's stored in your liver and muscles. When you fast, your body uses up this glycogen and converts it into glucose, which is used for energy. This is why you may feel a surge of energy on day 2 of your fast. Another benefit you'll start to notice is clearer skin. When you fast, your body is able to rid itself of toxins and impurities that can cause skin problems like breakouts and dullness. By day 2, you'll start to see an improvement in your skin's clarity and radiance. It's like hitting the reset button for your skin. Digestion is another area where you'll start to see improvement. During a fast, your body is able to rest and repair its digestive system. By day 2, you'll notice that your digestion is smoother and more efficient. You'll also experience less bloating and discomfort, and you may even find that your appetite decreases. This is because your body is resetting its hunger hormones, making it easier for you to control your cravings. And finally, you'll start to notice better mental clarity. When you fast, your body is able to focus on repairing and rejuvenating itself instead of constantly digesting food. This leads to improved brain function, better focus, and increased creativity. You'll be able to think more clearly and make better decisions, making it easier for you to tackle your day-to-day tasks. So there you have it, folks. Day 2 of a water fast is packed with benefits, from increased energy and clearer skin to improved digestion and better mental clarity. Your body is working hard to reset itself, and you'll start to see and feel the difference. Remember, the key to a successful fast is to stay hydrated and listen to your body. If you're feeling weak or lightheaded, then take a break and rest. But if you're feeling good, keep going. The end result is worth it. Day 3. And finally, we've made it to the end. As you wake up on day 3, you'll be amazed at the transformation your body has undergone. You'll feel lighter, more energetic, and clearer in both mind and body. This is the result of your body working hard to detox and cleanse itself of all the impurities and toxins that have built up over time. One of the key benefits of a water fast is improved digestion. Your digestive system has been given a break from processing food, and as a result, it will be functioning more efficiently. You may also notice improved skin clarity, as your skin has been given the chance to clear out any impurities that were clogging your pores. Another benefit of a water fast is improved mental clarity. As your body becomes more efficient at using stored energy, you'll start to experience a boost in energy and mental focus. This can be a great way to reset your mind and body, especially if you've been feeling overwhelmed or stressed. In addition to these physical benefits, a water fast can also have a positive impact on your overall well-being. By giving your body a break from constantly processing food, you'll be able to focus on self-care and mindfulness. This can be a great opportunity to connect with yourself and your inner thoughts, and to develop a stronger sense of self-awareness. Of course, it's important to remember that a 3-day water fast is just a starting point. If you're interested in continuing to improve your health and well-being, there are many other steps you can take, such as incorporating more whole foods into your diet, increasing your physical activity, and reducing stress. So there you have it, folks, a 3-day water fast that will clean and reset your body. It's a challenging but rewarding experience, and I highly recommend giving it a try. Just remember to listen to your body and drink plenty of water to stay hydrated. I hope you found this information helpful and that you'll consider giving a water fast a try. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family who might be interested in improving their health and well-being. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more health and wellness content. I'll be sharing more tips, tricks, and information to help you on your journey to better health and happiness. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. I'll be here waiting for you, ready to share more information and support you on your journey to better health and wellness. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care and stay healthy.